The first key factor you should consider while picking a forex broker is regulation and security. Make sure the broker is regulated by reputable financial authorities. This matters because regulated brokers must adhere to strict rules and guidelines that ensure fair trading practice, security of funds, and transparency in general. The second thing you need to consider while picking a forex broker is trading fee and spread. This varies with different brokers because brokers make money from spread. Spread is the difference between the buy and the sell. Whenever you hit the buy button or you hit the sell button, the little negative you have in your equity, that's what we refer to as spread. So you need a good broker that will charge you less for this. The trading fees you should look out for, let's begin with spread. You have the fixed spread and you have the variable spread. If you're going for the fixed spread, if your broker offers you 0.08, that's what you keep getting whenever you hit the buy button or you hit the sell button. But if you go for a variable spread, this is a floating spread, so you can get higher than that or lower than that. Beginners generally prefer fixed spread. That way you know what you're getting whenever you place a trade. Remember, this will also affect your risk management. The second fee you need to consider is commission. Some brokers charge small commission per trade. This can be in addition to an existing spread or instead of a spread. Other fees you need to consider are withdrawal fees. Will you be charged for placing a withdrawal? Will you be charged for crediting your trading account? Will you be charged for inactivity? That's when you decide to stay idle without placing a trade. Trading platform and tools is the next thing you need to consider while picking a forex broker. Trading platform is where you go to analyze the market and place trades. So this must be user friendly. An example of trading platform you should look out for is MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader. As a beginner, you need to consider brokers that offer demo accounts. This way you'll be able to practice trading without risking real money. Account types will be the fourth thing you need to consider while choosing a forex broker. Some brokers offer different trading accounts. Example are the standard account, the mini account, and the ECN account. Standard accounts and mini accounts are great for beginners because it offers low deposits. But if that's not a barrier for you, you should go for an ECN account. Now this brings us to the difference between ECN accounts and market makers. ECN account offers direct access to the market, often with lower spread, but it comes with commission, while market makers usually set their own prices with high spread. Leverage options will be the next thing you need to consider while choosing a forex broker. Leverage allows traders to control a larger position with a small amount of money. With leverage 1:1000, you'll be able to control a $10,000 with a $100 trading account. Higher leverage can lead to larger profits as well as larger losses. So as a beginner, you need to know leverage is a two-sided sword. If it goes in your direction, you're making a lot, and if it goes against you, you're losing a lot. Customer service and support will be the next thing you need to consider while choosing a forex broker. Reliable customer service and support will make a huge difference for beginners, especially when you're facing technical issues or you have questions to ask. Check out for availability, language spoken, communication method. This include email, phone calls, or live chats. Test customer support before opening a trading account. See how effective and quickly they respond. Deposit and withdrawal options will be the next thing you need to consider while picking a forex broker. You need to be able to deposit your money and withdraw your fund without any stress. Consider looking out for available payment methods. This includes credit card, bank transfer, e-wallet, and also you need to consider the processing time. Make sure the broker doesn't have excessive withdrawal fee or restrictions that might complicate the access to your trading profits. Researching and comparison will be the next thing you need to do in order to pick a good broker. Use comparison websites and forums. You can go ahead to Google and type the name of the particular broker and add review to the search. This should bring out a list of websites you can actually gain insights about that particular broker. Go ahead and check out the reviews of other traders who have actually used that particular broker previously. Look out for the positive review and the negative review. Red flags to watch out for while picking a forex brokerage account. Unregulated or poorly regulated brokers may not follow fair trading practices, and this may be risky. The second thing you need to pay attention to is unrealistic promotions. Be wary of brokers that offers excessive bonuses or guarantees huge profits. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The third thing you need to pay attention to is difficulty withdrawing funds. Check out the reviews of previous traders that have already used that particular broker. If there is any complaint about difficulty while they are withdrawing their funds, that's a major red flag. If you follow through the lessons and guidelines we've outlined, the chances of you picking a wrong broker is very slim. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Ezekiel. I'm a financial market analyst. I'm not a guru, I'm a guide. On this channel, what we'll do is simple. I share my experience and I share the experience I've gathered from others over the years. If you're looking for a community of like-minded traders to join, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. There's an ongoing forex course at the moment. If that interests you, just go ahead and check it out. And until next time, happy trading, guys.